Hi, you guys. I know we've been talking about the most common pests in the UK. The videos we've previously made, we gave some tips about some natural ways to get rid of them because most of our tenants have small children in the rental properties. So the top 5 pests in the UK rentals and how to keep them out. First off is cluster flies. They love warm attics. They hibernate during winter times, and it's a breeding ground during summer times. So keep your windows shut in unused rooms. And marching into your kitchen, make sure to clean up crumbs and block the entry holes where they come in. Spiders are harmless but are very creepy. Avoid clutter and seal window gaps. Also make sure to dust off any corners of your property to avoid them staying there. Cockroaches. They are rare, but it's possible, especially in damp air. Report them fast and get help as soon as you spot one. Mice squeeze through tiny spaces. Watch for droppings and keep all your food sealed in airtight glass or plastic containers. And call us as soon if you suspect any. Keep your rental pest-free this summer. A little prevention goes a long way. And please look at the videos in the comments for more helpful tips about pest control in your property.